Okay, hi. It's me again. I really do this very often, but I want to tell everybody what I've been learning as I've been in my fight against Lynch syndrome. I am actually not even at home. I'm away. This is a hotel. My family and I are here. I'm trying to do a video in under 10 minutes. So I'm a science teacher, middle school physical science. I'm also a graduate nutrition student. And I'm also fighting cancer with the help of a integrative nurse as well as my oncologist. My oncologist is from Cleveland Clinic, and my integrative nurse is Dr. Ivanova, Olena Ivanova. She can prescribe meds, and she also has functional medical and nutrition certification. She's actually amazing. Here's what I've been learning. Not only is there immunotherapy now to help treat cancer, alongside of chemo, of course, and radiation and surgery. But there's also a lot of research and progress in natural medicine. And one thing that I have discovered is berberine. Berberine is it's a chemical from a plant. It's a compound from a plant, and I'm going to cross my fingers that this works. I'm trying to share my screen. Okay, hoping that works. But here are tumor cells and healthy cells. So the tumor cell is purple and the regular healthy cells are orange. The tumor cell, as you can see, is sort of wrinkly. It doesn't look well, um, as opposed to the full healthy cell. So some words I'm going to use. There's immune cell. There's tumor cell. There's then these letters down below, PDL1. That's program death ligand 1. A ligand is it's a connector molecule. Um, Notice that they're on the tumor cells. And down here you have um, a T cell. A T cell is part of the immune system. It's a white blood cell. It's an attacker cell, like if you think of it like a security guard. And it has a PD1, program death 1 receptor. Okay, so ligand on the tumor and receptor on the T cell, on the immune cell. Okay, same thing over here, just there's a little more going on. But the job of the program death 1 receptor is to check on healthy cells, all cells, to see that everything is okay, kind of like a security guard would check the doors at a hotel, or to see, they might open it to see that everything's okay. So this is an immune checkpoint. Right here is an immune checkpoint. And what immunotherapy, the pembrolizumab or keytruda that I'm on, does is it blocks it. See, it's got an antibody, an anti-PD1 body, and it is blocking this checkpoint from occurring. And as a result, it will signal to the immune system that it needs to come and destroy this cell, this tumor cell. So that's what my immunotherapy is doing. Now, in addition, and I'm going to put some links below, but in addition, we have the um, we have berberine, and berberine is, its job is to get rid of this altogether. It gets rid of it. This is not a picture of what berberine does. This is actually just about immunotherapy, but it would get rid of this as well. Both of those actions would then trigger the immune system, because if this green thing, the PD1, can't attach the PDL1, the immune system knows that something is wrong. And if there's an antibody, anti-PD1, body. Here, it also triggers the immune system. So these two work in synergy, and that's what I've been working on very hard to make sure I get done. Which is complicated because berberine, you can't take it for very long because it does impair the immune system if you take it for too long. Because it has other actions, it will block glutamine from utilization by these T cells, and glutamine is amino acid, and it needs it just like it's sort of like a nutrient. So berberine does many things, but yeah, so it gets rid of this PDL1, the programmed death ligand, from the tumor cell, alerting the immune system, and then the immunotherapy, it blocks this programmed death receptor from attaching to the ligand over here, both of which trigger the immune system. And that's all.